Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to come to you with how to fix a disk that is not like registering. You're gonna, once you put your disk in, it's gonna say, do you own this disk? Or it's be like, oh, something went wrong. Man, that's dusty. But I got two solutions on how to fix this. The thing that happens with mine is some disks work, some disks don't. Some work sometimes, some don't work, but there's usually a problem that usually goes on. Like one every 5 discs I put in, it'll be like, oh, hey, do you own this? All that type of stuff. But here's two solutions to the problem. So we're gonna hop right into this in 1 second. I'll catch you guys back. This is the first solution. How we're gonna try to go fix this problem. It's gonna be the pull back method. So here we go. We're just gonna go to regularly put in the disc. You're gonna feel a little tug and pull on it. Let it tug it for a sec, and then let it slide on in. You hear the disc spinning when it works correctly. You just want to give it a little tug back. So whenever it goes to like pull the disc in, it's going to pull it right back into the back. Just give it a little tug back. It's going to be like, hey man, like I'm going to take this disc, and then you let it take that disc once you get that pull back. Trust me, it works. Second solution to this problem we're going to be coming at you today with is going to be solved by gravity. The thing is, where the disc isn't spinning and it doesn't read, it's just millimeters from the back of where it's actually supposed to be. So you just either want to lift this up like this, or you can just get like a stack of games, set it up like that, and you're just going to use gravity and just slide it right on in there. And gravity is going to help. Me personally, I like to set it up on this. If it doesn't work, go back in there, maybe go to a lift like that. Just use gravity as your friend, so it's always pushing it down. That gives it that extra little bit, and you hear the disc spinning in there. That's just what we want. So these are the two methods that are going to help you solve this problem with, oh, your disc isn't reading, or like, oh, something went wrong. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got more content coming for you guys soon. Subscribe and throw me a like if you enjoyed this video.